In this video, we will learn how to install PageFly and create a simple page with the key features and tools. The first step is to install PageFly Page Builder by Sellersmith. Go to apps.shopify.com and search for the PageFly app. Then click the Add App button to install the app to your Shopify store. You can check some information about data privacy before clicking on the Install App button. Now your PageFly app is installed. Next, let's start to create a new page with PageFly. Click Create a New Page to create a new regular page. Choose the plus sign. You can read more about other page types that can be created with PageFly. Let's try to create a new home page. After creating a new page, you will be redirected to the page editor. The template library window will pop up, which lets you choose a template to quickly start with. You can filter a template by template industry, template type, and select the number of templates per row. PageFly can support more than 35 page templates. All these sample templates are selected carefully from our top favorite landing pages. Click on the Start from Blank button to build your page from zero. First is the top bar. This includes all useful links to submit a support ticket, live chat, help center, dashboard, or manage your account. Next, the menu bar allows you to set up some general information on your page, including page title, website SEO, pick a template to access the template library. Device type with 3 options: laptop, tablet, and mobile. Undo to go back and redo to go forth. Import or export the current page in JSON file format. View, close, and some save options. Next is the left side, starting with the Add Basic Element feature. Here are some PageFly basic elements and sections that allow you to drag and drop them to the blank page. This is the Add Shopify Elements feature. This contains Shopify elements. Next is the Add Save section. It allows you to store saved sections that you can reuse in another part of this page or on a different page. The bottom is the Show Page Outline, where it displays the page outline inside the editor. Here is Set Predefined Style feature, allowing you to create a generic style for boxes, buttons, and text. The last one is Add Custom Code feature. Click here, you can add your own CSS and JavaScript code to the page. Now, let's try to drag a section to the page editor to explore other new features. This is the element toolbar that quickly performs actions on the element. The element toolbar is shown on all elements of the section. You can check them via breadcrumbs on the bottom. The last area is the element inspector on the right of the page editor. Here you can edit the settings and stylings of the element with 3 tabs: General, Styling, and Advanced. Once you're done building the page, hit Save. The Save and Publish button both saves the page and makes it public. You can see the page preview via Preview under View button. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with PageFly app from Sellersmith.